Welcome, stranger. I did a video recently on how to calibrate the exposure meter on your camera. It was a very popular video. After I finished it, I realized that most people didn't even know where the adjustment was on their camera, and decided I better make the second series explaining the different points on cameras where the exposure meter adjustment was at. This particular video is on the SRT series. Most of the SRTs have an adjustment on the bottom of the camera, which luckily they're all pretty much in the same place. So that's what I'm going to be showing in this video. So let's get started. Okay, we're recording. So this is SRT. An SRT set at 125 f16. What model of SRT? A 102. I put the lens on it. It's got a battery in it. If you look through it at a EV15 panel and it's not quite centered, the needle's not quite centered on the target, you can remove the bottom plate, which I've already done to speed up matters. And down here in the corner, moving a little closer here, is a pot, which you see the green and red wire going to it. It's even got a little notch there in the center for a screwdriver. And you turn that pot left or right, and then look back through it up here, and keep going back and forth till you get that needle centered in the target. If these cameras came with a 1.35 volt battery, and a lot of people are putting 155 volt batteries in it because it's more common and cost less. And if you have that if you're in that situation, you can also adjust your meter for that new battery here. No need for a diode or whatever other people are using. This right here will adjust it fine. I know of because I've worked on probably thousands of these cameras. Just put your new battery in and look through the viewfinder. Come down here and adjust it. Look back through the viewfinder. Adjust it again over and over till you get it right. And then when you get your needle in the center of the target, put your base plate back on, and you're done. Okay, that's it. Let's move along.